Before installing the driver, make sure the pin pad is unplugged from the computer. To begin installing the driver for the pin pad, we must first go to download2.pcamerica.com/drivers. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see a link for Verifone MX800 series USB drivers.zip. We will want to save that to the desktop. Extract the driver folder from the zip file. And then run the installer. After the installer has completed, make sure to connect the pin pad to an available USB port. After the driver has been installed, we will then need to connect the hardware of the pin pad. The first cable we will be connecting is the multi-port cable. We will also require the cable tie-down strap and screw. On the back of the device, plug in the cable. Place the cable tie-down strap in place, securing it with the screw. Plug the other end of that cable into an available USB port on your computer. To connect the power, plug the small end of the cable into the port marked 12V and the other end into your power source. After the hardware has been connected, we must then determine the COM port being used by the pin pad. Right-click on my computer and go to Manage. Select Device Manager, and then Ports. We will need to find the COM port that the MX800 family POS terminal is on. In this example, COM9. Open the PC America application. Select Manager, and enter your credentials. Select Setup, and then Setup screen. Select the Hardware tab. Under pin pad port, select Other, and then enter the COM port, in this example, COM9. For pin pad type, select the pin pad that you are using. Make a selection under pin pad connection, in this example, USB. Then select Update, and finally Exit. To use the MX800 series pin pad in the PC America application, some configuration is required. Using a narrow tool such as a paperclip, press the button in the hole to reset the device. After the device is reset, you will then be prompted for a password. Enter the password of 166831, and then press Enter, which will bring you to the System Mode screen. There, you will need to select Configure. At the configuration screen, we will need to select Ethernet port. At the Ethernet port screen, we will need to select Disable. Then select Back. Select USB port. At the USB configuration screen, we will need to select serial port COM5. Then select Back. At the configuration screen, select Back. At the System Mode screen, select File Manager. At the File Manager screen, select Restart. The device should then restart and then bring you to the Form Agent screen.